Today, we're diving into a topic that's both nostalgic and practical: old-fashioned frugal living tips. In a world that's constantly changing, it's incredible to see how some age-old practices can still help us lead a more mindful and budget-friendly lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned frugal enthusiast or just starting out on your savings journey, these 20 timeless tips are sure to inspire you. Let's jump right in. Tip 1: Meal planning and cooking at home. Our first tip is all about meal planning and cooking at home. Back in the day, families used to prepare meals from scratch, and it's a practice that can significantly cut down on food expenses and reduce waste. Take some time each week to plan your meals, create a shopping list, and embrace your inner chef. Tip 2: Grow your own food. Growing your own food might sound daunting, but even a small garden or some potted herbs can make a big difference. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own produce. Tip 3: Repair and mend clothing. Remember when people used to mend and repair their clothes instead of constantly buying new ones? Dig out that sewing kit and learn basic repair skills. It's a great way to extend the life of your wardrobe. Tip 4: DIY cleaning products. DIY cleaning products are not only budget-friendly but also eco-friendly. Simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can work wonders in keeping your home sparkling clean. Tip 5: Embrace secondhand shopping. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces are treasure troves for finding gently used items at a fraction of the cost. Embrace the thrill of the hunt and discover unique pieces while staying frugal. Tip 6: Reduce energy usage. Cut down on energy bills by practicing energy-saving habits. Turn off lights when not in use, unplug electronics, and consider using a clothesline instead of a dryer. Tip 7: Use cash instead of cards. Using cash for your purchases can make you more conscious of your spending. It's easy to overspend with cards, but cash helps you stick to your budget. Tip 8: Preserve and can food. Preserving and canning foods when they're in season can provide you with delicious options all year round. Plus, it's a fantastic way to reduce food wastage. Tip 9: Host potluck dinners. Organize potluck dinners with friends and family, where everyone contributes a dish. This not only saves you money but also creates a sense of community. Tip 10: Repair instead of replace. Before rushing to replace a broken item, explore if it can be repaired. Often, a little DIY effort can save you from buying a costly replacement. Tip 11: Use libraries and borrowing. Libraries are goldmines for free books, magazines, and even movies. Before making a purchase, check if you can borrow it first. Tip 12: Handmade gifts and cards. Tap into your creative side and make handmade gifts or cards for special occasions. It adds a personal touch and saves money. Tip 13: Practice mindful shopping. Avoid impulse purchases by practicing mindful shopping. Make a list and stick to it, and consider if the item is a true necessity. Tip 14: Conserve water. Reduce your water bill by fixing leaks, using a low-flow shower head, and being mindful of water usage while doing chores. Tip 15: Use reusable items. Switch to reusable items like cloth napkins, reusable shopping bags, and rechargeable batteries. These small changes add up over time. Tip 16: DIY home remedies. Explore DIY home remedies for common ailments. Simple solutions using natural ingredients can save you trips to the pharmacy. Tip 17: Unplug appliances at night. Appliances on standby mode still use energy. Get into the habit of unplugging them at night to save on your electricity bill. Tip 18: Take care of your belongings. Proper maintenance can extend the life of your belongings. Regularly clean and care for items like shoes, furniture, and kitchen tools. Tip 19: Batch cooking. Spend a day batch cooking meals and then freezing them. This way, you always have a homemade meal ready, preventing expensive takeout. Tip 20: Learn basic handyman skills. Last but not least, acquire basic handyman skills. Fixing minor household issues on your own can save you from hiring professionals. Conclusion. And there you have it, 20 old-fashioned frugal living tips that are just as relevant today as they were years ago. Incorporating these practices into your lifestyle not only helps you save money but also encourages a more sustainable and mindful way of living. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical advice. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember that frugal living is all about making the most of what you have.